Alright, we got our Greg kit in front of me here, and over on this side of things, we have our 74 gram CO2 tank attached to our mini regulator. This is just screwed on like that. It's no big deal, and yeah, that's the pressure gauge. We recommend keeping that at about 10 to 12 psi for this setup. Now the 74 grams CO2, one of them pours a quarter barrel, two of them pours a half barrel. The kit does come with two of them. One of them you will be able to get through 3 full kegs and a partial fourth, so you'll need to replace it on that fourth keg. The pressure runs from the regulator through the air line into the coupler, which inputs the pressure into your keg. And then you can pour out of this picnic top jumper. And we have these tools here, which are used to remove the spear from the keg so that you can fill it up. We have a different video showing you how to do all that kind of stuff, which I'll link in the description. And then it comes with this soft cooler as well, which you can use. Place the keg in. And then you gotta wrap around the apparatus there. And this can just hang out so you can pour whatever you're pouring. And it also comes with this sheet of ice to keep your beverage cold while you're pouring.